Picked up this erector set type thing at Dollar Tree for $1.25, and for $1.25 you get a real nice 1/6 scale screwdriver. Sometimes it's hard to find 1/6 scale tools, so even if I just keep this for the screwdriver, at least I have another tool to add to my collection. The instructions on these are kind of weird. They tell you how to put it together and all the pieces you need for it. I tried to build this thing off camera, but this is ridiculous. The instructions are kind of, well, they're just lame. But having this, having a set of tools and bolts and brackets and stuff for $1.25, it's not bad. Even if I don't use it for its true intention, the pieces that you get, and especially these little U-bracket things, are cool. The wrench, I could probably grind it down and make it look like a real wrench. And the bolts and nuts are pretty close to 1/6 scale. So even if you used it as background diorama pieces, I think that'd be cool. So the set is kind of ridiculous. The pieces that come with it are usable for other things, especially diorama, fodder, and other things. The scale is not too bad. They're a bit large, but that's okay. Mix these in with a few other little nuts and bolts and screws on a workbench, and I think it worked pretty good. So $1.25 for a few nuts, bolts, screws, some brackets, and a few other things. I don't think it's too bad of a price. And even if you just use these for background diorama fillers, I think it's a pretty good deal. I'll probably use them for other things, and if I do, I'll refer to this video. You guys have to let me know. What do you think? You think you'd buy these for the pieces, little bits and bobs? I know I'm sure going to use them for something. I already got plans, but you probably already knew that. Anyways, don't forget to click that like button if you like this video. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already. I'd really appreciate it, and it helps my channel out. I guess that's it, so don't forget to collect, inspire, and create. I'll see you in the next video.